Companies invest heavily in internal security, but often overlook a bigger blind spot: third-party vendors and outsourced staff, outsourced developers, cloud providers, consultants. The more third parties a company works with, the more channels data can flow through. And these breaches are far from rare. When it happens, companies typically face three kinds of cost: compliance penalties, financial losses, and customer trust that's hard to rebuild. And figuring out who's accountable afterward is rarely straightforward. So how do companies close this gap? Here are 4 ways. When third parties access company data, permissions for files, applications, and devices should be based on actual work requirements, avoiding unnecessary access. Access control is only part of the picture. Unauthorized access or unauthorized actions can trigger warnings, while the related activity is recorded for review. The data sharing process also needs to stay under control. With secure file packages, you can limit how many times a file can be opened and how long it remains valid, reducing the risk of prolonged or repeated access. For sensitive data, encryption adds another layer of protection. Transparent encryption keeps protected files encrypted while allowing authorized users to work with them normally. AnySecura brings access control, behavior auditing, secure file sharing, and transparent encryption together, keeping third-party risk consistently under control.